Hey guys, we're here at Whole Foods Market. Nag-brunch kami dito. First time lang namin kumain dito. And also first time lang din namin dito sa Whole Foods. Yung food pala dito is by the pound or by the weight. So, nilagay mo lang siya dun sa brown box and titimbangin lang siya mamaya sa counter. Nakakainin ko. Ito din ba yun? Ito, hati na. Ito. Ay, ito mas masarap. May ano. Ay, ito salmon eh. Alin kaya? This is what I got. Wine?
Try something different.
Ito sa akin. Ha?
Ito, Oreo. Vegan. What do you want?
Pudding.
And what?
The chocolate
And a
mousse
chocolate
cake.
mousse cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can they keep the same box?
Yeah. We will eat here, but
Hi guys, we're cooking right now. Now we say hi. Hi. And I don't know where we're going. We're gonna eat sushi. Bye. Bye.
no. Oh, safe.
Bigat ha?
Ha? Mabigat na ba?
Oo, ito yung akin.
Oo nga. Bakit?
Tingnan mo.
Bakit ba?
Din
Ay, yung
Sarap.
roasted.
full.
Kaya nga, roasted.
Ding.
Ayun, parang
Pinoy ang nasa ano.
gilay-gilay.
Parang ano ba yun? Asado?
The soy sauce. Can I
Dalawa. Against the light. Hey guys, we're here at Woodbury Commons Premium Outlets.
No more.
Let's go.
Well, you can't find.
Like, napakamahal naman ang sapatos na to. 640. Ang dumi-dumi. If you wanna think twice.
Is it?
Pwede siyang cross-type. Tapos pwede din parang medyo formal. Ano to? Sinigang na bangus, pinakbet, barbecue, pusit, pansit! Let's eat! In-order to sa Lahi. So, may nakita kaming drawer. May nakita kaming drawer kahapon. Sa marketplace, IKEA siya. So, parang $179 yan, pero 100 na lang. And nahagal namin ng 70. Pinoy din siya. So, problema na lang namin ngayon, paano kami uuwi? Walang uupuan yung dalawang bata. Ganda pa nung drawer, ang linis pa. Mag-move out na daw siya, so he's selling yung things niya. Pati yung chair nga dapat yung bibili namin, kaya lang nakita ko. Canvas pala siya, so alam niya naman mga bata, onting patak lang ng food, madudumihan na. So nakita ko tong drawer. Mas okay siya, mas kailangan namin ng drawers. Hey guys, we're here at PetSmart and samahan nyo kaming magtingin ng pwede namin ilagay sa aquarium.
Your name is Car. I'm trying to name all the fish. Mommy, look.
Sa Via dati meron kami ganito.
Oh, there's
Nonong has an aquarium.
There's fishy, fishy 1, fishy 2, 54, 55, fishy 60. They're so cute. They're all so cute, mommy.
Ito, ano ito? Ano yan? Noe, look, snails.
Oh, mommy,
May
mommy,
snails. Siya lang yung nagka-clean ng
mommy,
aquarium.
can I tell you something?
Crickets. Baho.
Baho.
Ito yung mga betta fish.
Ayun ba yun?
Mm-mm.
Look at
Guinea
this
pig.
hamster. No,
That's a guinea pig.
It says hamster.
Ah, hamster ba? Kala ko guinea pig.
Balik ka.
Nakalagay
So
yun.
cute. What is he even doing? He's eating.
Walang dog, cat lang. Huh? Lalak?
Can we go?
Go! Nakain na yung susi.
I got the
Hey guys, we're here at the park. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon, kaya lumabas ulit kami. Ganito yung weather dito guys, pag spring tapos magsa-summer. Papalit-palit yung weather. Minsan malamig, tas biglang iinit. Like sobrang init, tas mamaya malamig na naman. Ano sinasabi mo? We'll be getting snails. This mixed nerate snail and also itong Autosynclus. So sila yung mga cleaning crew.
It's okay, little guys. We'll get you home in no time.
Yan sabi ya. Sabi, what's that? Oh, what?
Mommy has gummy bears.
We're here at Raising Cane's, guys. First time namin kumain sa Raising Cane's. Guys, What do you want?
Right.
What do you want?
Try.
You don't want icy or Fanta?
I want it. That. I want it Fanta. I want it.
Love for Jason.
Anong gusto mo, Noe?
I want this.
Fanta? Aka na. Ah, be careful. Hawakan mo yung
Mini cup.
hawakan mo yung cup pag
I want
uminom ka.
the mini. And then we could transport it.
First user. This is the sandwich combo.
Let's save it, right?
It's my order. Chicken finger combo. That's great. Ano ba yan? What's this one?
Tic Tac.
It's for the kids. Yeah.
I want to play.
And bago lang yung Raising Cane's dito sa area namin. Dati yung pinakamalapit is nasa New York City pa. So, feeling ko mga 1 month pa lang yata tong Raising Cane's dito. Si ate ang habulin mo.
Mommy.
Tired?
Noe!
Tag!
Noe, you're still it. Then, like this. Put you right here. Oh, Hola!
Hola!
You're it, Noe.
Where are we now?
Romance thingy part. What? I can't pronounce it, right?
Roosevelt Park.
Oh, Roosevelt Park. Hi guys, we're at Roosevelt Park. And we're just relaxing. Oh, what's that?
I know she's
Spain.
a Latina.
Sobrang
Latina ni Noe.
Latina Noe. Hola, people!
Sobrang Latina.